Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because this video is my first impressions video. So I bought Lashify. They are at-home eyelash extensions. Yes, I'm wearing them right now, actually. And I decided to film the try-on, which I had a little bit of trouble with, as you will see. I filmed that on Sunday and then wore them and then continued to do little updates here and there throughout Sunday, right before bed, throughout Monday, throughout Tuesday, right after workouts, just to show you guys how the lashes were holding up, what they looked like, blah, 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 blah. First of all, just let me throw this little disclaimer in there. No, I'm not sponsored by Lashify, but if they want to send me some free stuff, I ain't gonna be mad, okay? Call me. Another disclaimer, if you go on YouTube and you search Lashify, you're going to see some videos about the owner of Lashify and Manny MUA. And I'm just gonna say right here and right now that my channel is not a gossip channel and it never will be. This right here is my first impressions and a review, and that's all it's going to be. So yeah, I dove right into the applying of the lashes on Sunday and I filmed them and I tried to get really up close, and you're gonna see the struggle that I had with that. So let me just, in this intro right here, let me put all these videos in order for you right now so you can see how I applied them, the struggles I had, what I learned, blah, 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 blah. And then I'm gonna come back and do the sign off and I'm gonna list the pros and the cons of Lashify that I learned. These are just my opinions, all that jazz. Okay, I'm done rambling, so let's get started. Okay, so here's the kit. This is a Lashify kit. You only get the A lashes, like there's A, B, and C, and I think there might be D, but you only get A with the control kit. And then this right here is the wand. This top one is the glue. So there's a clear glue and then there's a black glue. And then this one here is like the thing that you put on afterwards to kind of set it. Anyways, so I've watched a bunch of tutorials and over and over and over again, they always say that the clear glue is really what keeps the lashes on longer. If you do the black glue, they're like more prone to fall off. So it also comes with a little envelope, has these two things right here. One of them is a welcome card and one of them is just little instructions. But again, I have seen like a billion, not a billion, because there's literally like two. I added Lashify on Instagram and I look at their live feed and all that jazz. So that's where you'll find some of these tutorials. So let me get started. It says apply Whisper Light Flexible Bond, not blonde, underneath the base of your natural lashes. Do not brush all the way through to the lash end. Just dab the brush across your lash base. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure to do the clear one. So what I'm doing, and I don't know if this is helpful because I've never done this before, is I'm kind of just twirling it at the bottom. And you can see the glue is definitely on the inner corner lash. And here's the thing, when I was watching one tutorial, I feel like the girl that I was watching did not put on enough glue. She was having a lot of trouble. All right, so I'm getting the little wand. All right, well I have one, which is exactly what I said I wasn't going to do. I wanted to grab more than one. This is not easy. Sorry. Okay, got one on and I just used my fingers. I don't see why you can't do it. I just know that you're supposed to use that wand. All right, so that one's a little crooked. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna add just a little bit more glue. So next I'm gonna add glue in like, not all at once. Okay. Oh, it's really easy when you use your fingers. Spin! Okay. I don't think that was right. Fuck it. Let's keep going. Hold on. Okay. Okay, I don't feel like I should add one more to the inner corner, just because the length of these lashes are all the same and they don't really get shorter towards the inner corner, so I am not going to add anything. Also, this wand is super sticky. Let me try to, how the hell are you supposed to? It's just not as easy as it looks. Okay. Oh yeah, much better. And yes, I know the wand is backwards. Like, this is what works for me, okay? So if it helps you to go backwards too, then go backwards. You know. Okay, so after that, you're supposed to get this seal and finish clear coat. What does it say? It doesn't say. This is what the seal thing looks like. And I don't know if I'm supposed to go all the way up or add some to the top part or what. But I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the top because why not? I think that's it for this eye. Don't look up my nose. Don't judge me. But some of them they're not on in a straight line. Some of them are a little bit crooked. And granted, that was the first time that I put them on, so I'm not mad at myself. Another thing is you're supposed to be able to grab the blossomers, like 3 of them at a time, and pull them out evenly, which I did not. That's okay, maybe with more practice I'll be able to do that. I was watching a tutorial where the girl was like, the glue would be easier to put on if it was a tiny brush. Like she had a eyeshadow brush from Sigma, and I'm not gonna lie, I think she might be right. And did it go on straight? No, it did not. I should have just kept with my fingers. It's alright, I tried. That was the point of this. I wanted to see if I could use the little wand. That's okay. Like, who cares? Look how easy that was. I'm mad. Is this right? What the flying beep? Oh, we gonna have to fix that. I hate myself. Oh Jesus. Oh Lord. Oh. Oh my God. Why does it look like that? Okay, you guys, real quick update on these lashes. I just woke up. This is day 2 wearing them. They stayed on perfectly well, but I wanted to see how there's like white tips over here. You can hardly see it. Well, I can definitely see it in real life. I don't know why it's like that. I definitely do not think it's the glue. I think it's the sealant, because I did go all the way up on the lashes with the sealant. Do you see it? Do you see it? I mean, look at that. It's kind of crazy. But so far they have not fallen off. I don't need to readjust them. I've tried taking that sealant off and tried like brushing through it, tried getting some water and kind of going like this to it, and it doesn't come off. So maybe next time when I put them on, I can try to keep the sealant towards the lash line right here. So anyways, I'm off to work. Yee! You guys have a good day. Bye. I'm turning down the AC so you can hear me, but I'm about to blast it. This is post-workout. I am a sweater. I have a sweat stash. My hair is completely just soaked. My face gets red when I work out. Like, I'm gross when I work out. It's just a fact. But the lashes are still intact. Like, they have not lifted at all. They're fine. They are on. I can like flick them around. They're just fine. So, oh my God. I am so unattractive. It's not even funny. I need to wash everything. It's so gross. But anyways, lashes are fine. So they can handle a super intense, sweaty, gross, nasty workout. Anyways, I'm gonna turn my freaking AC on because yo, it's 100 degrees. I'm not kidding. Okay, bye. Good morning, you guys. Okay, so this is the 3rd day. I slept with a sleeping mask last night, one of those things, you know, you put on your eyes, and the lashes didn't budge. I could kind of feel a slight little tug, like when my eyes were rolling around, but it didn't hurt at all. It's just like a little, I don't know, a little tug. The lashes are fine. They're still on 100,000%. They're not clumsy or anything. I did take off the inner corner of this side just because it was bugging me that my eyelashes weren't symmetrical. So I did take that off, and I think it looks a little bit better. Can't really tell anymore, which is kind of nice. So yeah, bye y'all. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, the lashes stayed on forever. Nothing took them off except for myself. And I will say that when I did take them off, they were just as easy to take off as lash strips, which is kind of, I wasn't really expecting. But what I did was I would not pull it off by the top part, by the lash. I would kind of go under where the band is and get my fingernail underneath it and just kind of like pull it off like that, and it came off like it would, like a lash strip would. There was a little bit of tug back here and there, but it didn't pull any of my real lashes out, and it didn't hurt. So I was kind of like... And then also, I redid these lashes. What I will say about Lashify, practice makes perfect. I put on less glue this time. With Lashify, it's gonna be trial and error. The first time I put these on, I did use the clear glue, and the thing about the clear glue is when it dries, it's just like clear lash strip glue. Like, you could see it. It gets a little tacky. It's kind of hard to remove from my lash. It's not hard, it's just time consuming. It's tedious. This time around, I used the black glue, which I will say, you guys, I absolutely 100,000% prefer the black glue, just because when it's on my lashes, I only needed like one little coat, and it was there. And when it dries, you can't see the glue on my lash line. I love the black glue. The reason why I didn't use it is because I heard that the clear glue is for long lasting strips and the black glue isn't, which really kind of bums me out. So I would love if Lashify fixed that. Also, girl, this outro might be a little long, but I'm I'll just be honest with y'all. The kit comes with these two gossamers. And I did not realize this because I did not read the description of the kit on their website very well, apparently. But these two are different, A14 and A12s. So I thought they were the same. I thought they were both A14s. And when I'm so stupid. I'm not stupid, I'm stupid. When I put these on, like, I thought they were the same. So I just stuck with this. I put A14s from inner to outer. The first time I did it, I mean, you saw the lashes were like a little wonky on this side, but they looked fantastic on this side. I don't know what that was. That was amazing, Jesus, thank you. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys know because I didn't know this and no one said it in any of the little tutorials. These two are different. The A12s are shorter, so they're gonna go on your inner corner to center, and then the A14s are longer, so they're gonna go from center to outer corner. Let me get all up in your business so you can see. You see how pretty they are? Didn't I do like much better this time, you guys? So for this wand right here, I don't use this to apply the lashes. I use my fingers. I did use this, however, to squeeze the lashes. I did figure out how to do it the right way instead of backwards. Another thing that I learned, that white stuff that I was showing you on my lashes, that is from the sealant. When I was doing my lashes the second time around, I had this at the very base and it got a little too close to my waterline, so I blinked. And when I blinked, it was kind of like, you know, I have some friends that blink when they put mascara on, and I'm like, girl, you okay? So I had the lash and it got a little too close to the line and I blinked, and right when I blinked, it went all the way up. And I looked in the mirror and sure enough, I could see like that white stuff. So I quickly got my fingers and just wiped it off. So for this, I will say I used way too much. You may not be able to tell if it's actually getting on your dang lashes. Just trust that it is, okay? Let's get on to the list. Pros for Lashify. They last. Mine lasted like a motherfucker. Like I said, Lord. I went swimming. I bathed Finn, my dog. He shook, got water on my face. I washed my face twice, of course. You saw my nasty, sweaty, nasty self. Lord Jesus, come help me, please. They didn't move. Moving on. To me, they're easy to apply. Yes, it takes some time getting used to. Trial and error. Practice makes perfect. I got the hang of it within the second time. So they look like real lash extensions, which I really like. You can do these at home. They're non-damaging. None of my real lashes actually fell out, and I was looking for it too, especially when I was taking them off and I was doing the makeup remover to remove the glue and all that jazz. None of the real lashes actually came off. I will tell you this. Online somewhere it says that they're reusable, but then they're not reusable, and people are like, what are they? They are reusable. However, they're so fragile. If you try to pull it from the lash itself and not the band from the bottom, they just shed. But the reason why they say they're reusable but not really is because you have to be like so gentle with them when you clean them, when you take them off, that kind of shit. We're gonna go on to the cons. Most of these cons have nothing to do with the lashes. The only con on here that has to do with the lashes is I said it's fragile AF. I love to be able to reuse my lashes. Does that mean I'm never gonna buy lashes from Lashify ever again? Hell no! Not enough detailed instructions. Let me tell you something. I don't want to get ghetto with y'all, but I will say this. If you're gonna invent a product that is revolutionary, that has never been made before, honey child, you better make a Lashify for dummies. And I mean dummies, because this isn't something that has been around a long time, and a lot of people are gonna have questions that they don't even know that they have. There's not information on how to wash the lashes, how to take them off. The best example that I can think of is Hidden Crown Extensions. If you go to hiddencrownhair.com, they actually have a whole tab and it says videos. You click on videos and it's just tutorials on everything that you didn't even realize you needed. I was just so blown away by how well thought out it was. I watched this 15-minute video of theirs and I swear to God, they answered questions I did not even know that I had. So I just don't feel like there's enough information on Lashify's site about how-tos with their lashes. I went to Lashify and I did click on community and it just takes you to a Facebook page, which is still great. I love those kind of communities, but I will say that I don't really go on Facebook very much. And there's a lot of other people that just don't have Facebook. I just feel like in order to really be here for your customers and be here for the dumb ones, okay, that is me, just to have a like Lashify for Dummies page and answer everything. And it's great to have all those videos in one place on a globally accessible site because not everyone has Instagram and not everyone sees the Instagram live tutorials when they need to. I do absolutely love these lashes. I love these bad boys. I love the natural look very much. Anyways, okay, so I'm signing off. I love them. I think they're great. I think with practice, I'll have all of my answers answered. Hey, if you have any questions, any at all, anything that I missed, please comment down below. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked my first impressions. Let me know if there's something that you want me to try. You want to get honest feedback on, something you want to see, any kind of beauty product. I'm going to try to get back into Alisha's aprons. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys. I hope that you guys are blessed and that you're happy and you're healthy and you're living the best life that you possibly can. What in town or different? You better look good. Finn! Babe, can you get him to STFU? What was I saying? The same outfit and the same weave. What up, girl? How you doing? You cute? Oh no, baby. What is you doing? Y'all, what in tarnation? I feel like this is made for a left-handed person, which is not yo girl. Oh, and I know this wand is backwards, but I genuinely don't give a shit. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, help me, Lord. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. Get on there, ho. Bitch. Do you see that? I tried pulling it out of the little thing and it started shedding on me. Explain yourself! Alisha, what the f are you doing? Holy mother of pearl! Again. Alisha! Spit it out! Finn, are you okay? Damn, son! For God's sake, I love you. But you can't chew the bone in here. It's too loud. Go away. Dang. Sign up for the mission. Witchcraft. Lashify people, please send me some stuff. Or if you want someone who is awesome and funny and cute and funny and adorable AF to do the little how-to tutorials for your page, call me.